last video we did a for loop. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a while loop. Alright, so our program runs successful. Let's review what we just did. So we declare a variable count and initialize that variable to 0. Then we type while. Inside the parentheses, we used count, which we initialized earlier, as our condition. So while count is less than 10. So while this condition is true, we will print out the value of count. Then we increment count by 1. You guys can play around with this. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.